Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to combine two text in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and click type text and create another layer, another type another text. Hold Ctrl, select two layer, press Ctrl T, resize the text and up to down layer. Then hold Ctrl, align center or best for align center. Then hold Ctrl, select the selection first letter, then click the layer, click layer mask, click the shape brush tool, click and right click, use hardness, then click and drag on your mouse. Okay, hold Ctrl, select, right click, convert to smart object, again right click, rasterize layer. Then now we can see this combine two text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.